Don't know exactly what happened, but my truck just lost all power while I was driving down the road. It was in gear, so the whole thing started getting completely sideways. I need to open it. What the heck? I'm gonna pull my keys out just in case. Golly, that was scary. Driving down the road and all of a sudden, nothing. Oh. What? That's depressing. That makes no sense. I mean, I guess that'll work. Very interesting. Let me turn this mug on. Let's hope it turns on. The alarm keeps going off. It turned right on, but that was scary, I'll tell you that. Golly, my battery got disconnected. God. All right, I guess I'm going back on the road. You know what I'm doing tomorrow. So that was interesting. I don't know why that happened, but my negative terminal decided to completely fall off of my battery. I'm guessing since it was on my negative terminal, it was just running off of my alternator until I just asked for too much power out of the motor. I did step on the gas a little bit, and as soon as I did, all electricity just completely gave out. I'm gonna fix that problem tomorrow and just take it easy, and let's go ahead and fix those problems. I'm gonna cut to the next day. So alright guys, this video is a different tone than normal. Usually I'm optimistic, happy guy. I mean, still am. I mean, realistically, bad events happened. Almost lost our lives. As of right now, we're safe. And truck, I filmed my walk around video right here. It's gone. So y'all just don't take things for granted, because it's super easy to do. My favorite thing was my truck, and it's gone. So just learn that life's short, and don't take things for granted, because it's so easy to do that. I got tunnel vision, and all I saw was the camera in front of me, and I didn't know where the steering wheel was. I didn't know where anything was. All I knew is that there was a camera in front of me, and I'm obligated to start recording. I mean, I hated to do it because my truck was upside down. I was scared. I was afraid that my buddies were gonna be. For real, bro. I was afraid that my buddy and I were not gonna be safe. I was more worried about him than anything, but I was scared, and I picked up a camera and I just recorded what I got. I wanted to be respectful to the police officers that were helping in this situation, and that's pretty much it. Y'all enjoy the video of probably one of the craziest nights of my life. All right, turn it off. Oh, there's my stuff. We are upside down. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Shit, dude. Let's hop out.
You have to keep your window up.
No, I can open the door. Ugh. Watch out for glass.
Is it though, man?
Yeah. I'm out.
Alright.
Are you good?
I'm straight, man. I didn't feel shit.
Dude, where even is everything? I can't even tell.
I don't know, man.
Dude, my truck is upside down. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Where is everything? Whew. Golly, I'm freaking shaking right now.
And everything, and we can drive off right now if we can flip this bitch over. Or do you want to claim insurance on it?
Oh, I have to. The truck's totaled. It's just changed everything. Oh my gosh, my freaking truck is totaled.
Oh shit!
How?
Dude, my fucking head hurts.
Are you okay?
Smacked this shit out of my head.
I did too. I mean, I don't care about myself. Are you okay?
Good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even know, like, I don't have any words. So everyone on the internet, I just don't have any words right now. Are you okay? Like,
I'm straight.
Are you hurt anywhere? Like, I hit my head hard, but I don't care.
As far as I know, I'm straight.
I gotta find my phone. Do you have yours on you?
Yeah, I got mine.
Can you turn your flashlight on?
Dude, everything's fucked, bro. What side is it? Is this the driver's side?
This is the driver's side.
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
upside down truck right here. Dude,
Everyone's
like
just driving by.
People just passed by. What?
Oh my gosh, dude. How did that even freaking happen? I got bad news.
What's up?
My truck's totaled.
What?
My truck is totaled.
What happened?
I was driving down the road. You know the road at like the shortcut to go to the boardwalk?
Yeah.
Driving down the road and I was going too fast. And as I was turning, one of my tires hit the curb, and as it did, the whole truck got completely sideways and the truck went up onto the side of the curb, you know, like where those old apartments were, those old neighborhood, like the veterans apartments were. My truck was sideways and hit the curb and then somehow flipped around and it's upside down right now. Me and Nate are both okay, but my truck is upside down right now on the side of the road.
I'll come get you.
All right. Yes, sir, we're fine. Yeah, we're all good. We got everything, but thank you very much.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, we're good. My dad's headed here. Those sirens are most likely for us in the background. You're 100% fine. Let me look around at you. Take your hat off. Take the hat off. I just want to make sure you're fine.
I'm good, man.
There's nothing. Does anything hurt? Because we're gonna be feeling it tomorrow.
The back of my head hurts, but that's about it. It didn't really hurt that bad.
Dude, my truck is literally upside down.
Hey.
Wrecked my truck.
Where you at?
Probably gonna be. I'm in Bossier. It's not worth driving up here, but I wrecked my truck. It's upside down.
What?
Yeah, just don't even.
Are you and him okay?
Yeah, we're good. Let me answer Harry. Hey, we're fine, but my truck is upside down right now.
Oh, hey, where you at?
I'm in Bossier. I don't need you to come over. We're good.
Yeah,
we're good.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Okay, we're all fine.
Yeah, just.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Driving down the road and the truck slid sideways, hit the curb, spun around, and both tires caught the curb perfectly and it just flipped over. Just don't tell anyone, don't post anything. I'll tell people as they call me.
Yeah.
I just don't want it getting out anywhere as of right now. But thank you. We're all good. We're all safe.
You have someone coming over there right now?
Yeah, my dad's headed here right now.
Okay, alright.
All right, thank you. Dude, how the heck does this even freaking happen? What the heck, YouTube? How does this freaking happen? Well, there goes the truck. All the work and money I put into it.
Damn it, boy.
Everyone's just driving by like, what? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. I mean,
Hey, your sticker works.
oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We have a problem! Oh my gosh! We have a problem! Oh my gosh, that's the best thing I've seen in my life.
Oh,
I'm so happy I did that. Oh my gosh. I'm glad you're okay. Like, I'm more worried about you than I'm worried about me in my upside down truck right now. Like, as long as you're okay, I'm good. Oh my gosh, we have a problem.
that scared the shit out of me though. I didn't know how many times we were fixing to roll. When that thing turned like that, I was looking at you the whole time, and when it turned over like that, and I saw grass, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I did the same. I did the same. We're all good.
Thank you. Have you called them yet? You know you need to call the cops, right?
I hear sirens. That's most likely for us. I'm just gonna send him my location.
Are you just gonna drive all the way down here?
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Hey, the truck is upside down, by the way.
I see that.
Yeah.
Guessing they're coming for y'all?
I'm assuming. We didn't call yet, but they're coming. There's the police. We'll go talk to them. How's it going? Doing pretty good. It'll all be inside of a tan-colored envelope. Tan-colored, like leather style envelope. That's where my registration and insurance and all that is.
So come look at the come look at this sticker, buddy. Read that sticker right there. Big problem. Big problem.
Wow. Yeah.
Better hurry.
I think he's backing in right where you are to roll it.
All right, guys. So me and Nate are both fine. Landon came. just to make sure we're all good. I really don't know what to say right now. Truck's gone. Truck is totaled. There's no possible way it's not gonna be totaled. The tow truck driver is gonna flip it over here. Adrenaline's pumping, I'm shaking. It's bad, but I don't know. I'm glad we're okay.
Yeah,
I'm glad we're okay,
man. That was definitely a time to remember.
Biggest thing is that I love that truck with everything, but I'm more worried about him in the accident. I don't care even about myself. I mean, you gotta make sure that you're okay, but biggest thing is we can't be replaced right here.
That's all.
That truck right there, it doesn't matter. I don't care about it. It's just a truck. It is just a truck.
Replace a truck, but you can't replace from.
That door's about to come off.
All right. Sweet. Aww.
And there goes the door.
Aww. It's about to be. There's the start.
No more problem. No more problem.
Hi, Harry. Thank you for coming down here. Harry, Dad, Harry.
Yeah.
There's some Dr. Pepper. Gavin wanted to go, but I told him, I was like, it might be best just for you not. Man, it's so clean in there. All my stickers. Well, we no longer have a problem. Bro, it was upside down.
Start collecting this stuff up and put it in the Sequoia.
Alright.
Nice.
Yeah, for real. I'm about to have one.
No, not good. Well, I mean, they are, but just not as good as I thought.
You got an AirPod right there.
Oh, man, the AirPods.
You got all the change right there.
That's for my change bucket. That was in my pocket. The vape was in my pocket, and it's down here. It'll turn right on.
So I guess I'm gonna put it in your yard until Monday, and then we'll have it all.
Actually, can I turn it on? Well, I just want to see if I can turn it on real quick.
Well, I got a roadblock. I mean,
It's fine. Do you mind if I just like try and turn it on real quick?
yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch your face for the airbag.
Toyotas, baby! Freaking Toyotas! No ticks or anything.
It's definitely.
It's got oil in it, but
No,
hey.
it's got oil on the top of the pistons because it was flipped over.
Switch on.
Yeah, I could leave that one.
I gotta put it in.
Dude, it turned right on. Oh my goodness.
Can't believe it started.
Careful of that glass in there. It turned on, dog. It turned right on. It wasn't even knocking. Gavin told me, he's like, it's gonna be hard to keep the footage, but he's like, I need you to keep the footage because it's gonna be worth it later on. He said that if I'm editing it, I'm gonna get like discouraged and turn it off. My wheels are not curved. Actually, you can see on this one. Nope, no curb. It's a great paint job. I spray painted them mugs, would you believe it?
Really?
Yeah. Man.
You had to break your window, it broke.
Oh, windows definitely broke. We were upside down. I was sitting upside down like this, and I had to kick my door out because the door wouldn't open. Like, I'm surprised I'm not cut everywhere. I haven't paid attention to me one bit. Like, I've just made sure Nate was okay.
Cam, you got a pen?
He wants your my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
There really isn't anything good to write on.
You need anything out of the truck?
Yes.
that the e-brake?
Thank you for coming, dude. This is, do what? Yeah, just a Toyota key. Yeah, you're smart. Oh boy, I just felt it. There is glass all up my back. Like, oof.
We can make a good thing out of that.
Oh boy, what are you thinking?
Insurance buyback on it is gonna be fucking low. Like, it's totaled. Yeah.
It's totaled, but I mean, it might be a few thousand.
I don't think, but like Kelly Blue Book and shit, plus it wrecked like this, they'd probably say like $3 grand.
Oh no, that'd be freaking sweet.
Buyback, I say chop the roof off that motherfucker and XOK.
You know how sweet that would be, recording, but my truck's gone. Oh, you can see the lights way up there. My truck's gone. Harry, the Yoda's no more.
It's okay.
I heard that once before. Don't lose sight.
Yeah. I've heard that before once or twice.
All right, we got the stuff in the stuffmobile. Wow. And he's about to roll out, and it's gonna be the end of it. What you think about it, Nate?
I think I'm gonna hurt in the morning.
Yeah, you and me both.
You're gonna feel like a train hits you.
Hey, what you headed? Where you guys headed? Over by the house?
Yeah, we can.
All right, sure.
I'll see y'all there.
So, now you see what happened in that night. It was a crazy night. Everyone's okay. On the bright side, everyone's fine. That's the biggest thing. And just imagine, what if it wasn't me that was able to make that phone call? What if I had passed away during that wreck? What if Nate had? And I would have had to make a phone call to his parents. Aside of everyone being okay, which is the biggest and most important thing in my eyes, and should be in almost everyone's eyes. But aside from that, my truck's gone. Channel's not over, boys. This is just the start. This opens the door to a lot of new opportunities because this changed my life. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm not gonna have the Tacoma for right now. It will no longer be my daily driver. So, y'all, let's do something crazy. What do you think I should do? What should I get? I wanna make something fast. Let's take it to the track. Do stupid things at the track, let's do it. Drop whatever y'all think I should do. There is nothing I'm not open to. And when it comes to cars, who knows? I'm gonna look at every single comment, I always do. Whatever ideas I like, I'll go ahead and give them a like. Drop an idea of what you think that I should go for next. I mean, this really, it's an open door, and I'm looking at it at the most positive light that I possibly can. Like I said, guys, everyone just be thankful that we're safe. Thank yourself, thank your parents, thank everyone for just giving you the opportunities that you've been able to get. Live life to the fullest and just don't regret anything. Be thankful. So, this is just the beginning. What's next? I don't know. I'll keep y'all posted. Y'all have a good one. Remember to send it. If y'all thought this shit was over, it ain't over, because this is fucking Po Boys, and we're gonna shave back better than ever. So let's go ahead and do it. By the way, this is my rental. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Y'all freaking have a good one. Thank you. I love every single one of you. Y'all have a good one.